Visumatic screw presenter for CPK. This is the Visumatic VPS 900. This is part of the kitting process product line that Visumatic offers. We have two vibratory feed systems, each feeding two different types of fasteners. We have a long for CPK and we have a short for CPK. We are feeding and isolating both of these and paying out 4 screws per side per cycle to a centralized dispensing mechanism. Dispensing mechanism is actuated by a foot lever. We will pay out 4 of each type. Right now we have a delay set for 5 seconds. The delay can be adjusted by the operator and or the technician. At any time, if the operator wants to override that delay, they have the ability of doing their batch, and if they want to immediately have their next batch, they can depress the feed signal again, and we'll go ahead and dispense that batch. In the event that the operator is dispensing their batch into their bin, and for some reason they drop a fastener on the floor for any reason, they have the ability of selecting either a long or short for a single feed of either fastener. We'll open up the hoods here on the Lexan lids on the enclosure. We have two 14-inch vibratory bowls offset from each other. We have one clockwise, one counterclockwise, integrated with Visumatic F15 escapement devices with banner array low-level sensors that are enabling the bowl on and off based on fastener supply to the escapement tracks. Both lids will have locking mechanisms that will only allow the material handler to load one bowl at a time as long as it is controlled by the customer. We know the status of the vibratory feed systems at all time by a 3-color Andon light on the backside. On the backside of the feed system, we have our filter regulator. Again, we have our 3-color dome light. We have our main machine valve bank, our vibratory controllers for bowl 1, bowl 2. Then we have the Visumatic control panel with the integrated simple HMI that allows the technician and our engineer to manipulate certain features of this system. Most importantly, it's going to be the delay. This is in milliseconds, so right now we have it at 5,000 milliseconds, which equates to 5 seconds in total. Modifying that, we can take it to 1 second very easily, allowing that delay to be decreased by a greater value and or increased by a greater value based on the level of control that CPK wants to have in their next batch count.